In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a board to another account on Monday.com. Now let's dive into the process and make it as simple and straightforward as possible. First, let's start from your dashboard. I'm assuming at this stage that you already have either created a new board or you're working with an existing one. Your dashboard on Monday.com is like your main hub. It's where all your boards are listed for easy access. Now, locate the specific board you'd like to move. As you hover over this board's title, you'll notice a 3 dots icon appearing off to the side. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This menu is where you manage many of the board's settings, and today, our focus will be on moving the board. A menu will pop up with several options, including moving the board to different places. You'll see choices such as Move to Folder, Move to Workspace, Move to Template, and finally, Move to Product. In the context of our task today, we're going to focus on the Move to Workspace option, as that's what will allow us to transfer the board to a different account. Upon clicking Move to Workspace, you'll be prompted to select the target workspace. In this example, I'm selecting a workspace called Work Arrangement, which is associated with a different account. It's crucial to ensure that you have the necessary permissions to move the board to the new workspace, as some companies and teams might restrict this feature for security or organizational purposes. Once you've confirmed your selection and chosen the new workspace, the system will automatically process the move. This usually happens fairly quickly. But if you're dealing with a particularly large board or a slower internet connection, it might take just a moment longer. Patience is key here, as you don't want to interrupt the transfer process. After relocating your board, navigate over to the new workspace. You should see the board listed there, just as it was in the original workspace. Give it a quick check to ensure that all of your data and settings have transitioned smoothly. If everything aligns, congratulations, you've successfully moved your board to another account. That's all there is to it. An efficient process that significantly helps in keeping your workspace organized across different accounts. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any further questions or need clarification on any step, feel free to leave your comments below. Happy organizing!